Stop wasting your money on prop firms with ridiculous time and targets to achieve. Meet the Freestyle. 5%'ers Freestyle program is changing the industry standards. No need to waste your money over ridiculous targets you need to achieve. Hello and welcome to BlackPipper Forex. Today we are going to explore an amazing opportunity for the traders. You do not need to throw your money on prop firms with ridiculous time and target to achieve. The firms like FTMO or my Forex funds rely on traders' fee. That is why they are giving a valuation when you have a very small chance to pass. They are tempting traders with high leverage, but the truth is that your chance to pass is almost zero. 5%'ers has unfolded a huge surprise in the prop firm industry, changing completely the industry standards. No other prop firm has ever done this. It's really a freestyle program. They call it freestyle. Do you know why? There is no time limit, no profit target, and no stop out. Only one-step evaluation. It's just 100 trades you have to do and you are done. Yeah, right. All that's important is to achieve a profit factor 2. Just bring yourselves, take your best trades according to your plan, and that's it. Once you are funded, you receive 100% of your profits. What do you get in a freestyle program once funded? You either sign up for a 25,000 or 50,000 evaluation account. When you pass, you will receive a refund and 10% absolute drawdown on your account and no daily drawdown limits. After 50 positions, you can withdraw your profits, and after 100 positions, you can go for option of growth. You can enjoy growth up to $4 million, and above all, the leverage is 1:30, and you can trade gold and silver as well. How to qualify for funding? Your 30 trades should be profitable. Your net results after 100 trades should be in surplus. The trades with greater than 2.5 times of your average lot size will not be considered in the profit factor. What makes you disqualified? If your profit factor is less than 2, if your account is dormant for 28 days, you will be disqualified. But if it's your first time signing up for the freestyle program, you will receive a reset no matter the account situation, even if you are 20% drawdown. That's really amazing thing. Why is it the future of prop firm? 5%er introduces a revolutionary funding program where you show your trading skills over a series of trades instead of over a time or balance target like other prop firms. You don't need to adjust your trading style to the program anymore. You don't need to stress over trading or hoping for lucky trades like an FTM or my Forex fund with the ridiculous profit targets you need to achieve. You receive 100% of your profits, no time limits to stress you, no targets to make your overtrade or count on luck. I recommend you to just check yourself. I'll provide the link in the description about the freestyle program. I'll also provide the link for the cheat sheet, and you can check the details in there. Thanks for watching. Sign up for the freestyle program and happy trading.